So Scratchy Mall got a double reveal here. Two $10 Mississippi Lottery Scratchers. And yeah, I got a match right here. Number 35. Number 35. Single matches. Number 6 and number 6. So let's see what we got. Hope these some single matches for a jackpot of $200,000 on either one. 200,000. Let's get it, baby. Let's see some skinny zeros piled together. Skinny zeros. Or some little fat ones. Just not them little bitty ones. Where you at, zeros? Where you at? Little zeros. For a $15 win on the winter winning. So, no jackpot on that, but a little bit of profit. $5. Alrighty. Number 35, you must be the one. Let's get it. Skinny zeros. Where you at? Small zeros for a double up of $20. $20 there. 15 there. $35 off that $20 session. I'll take it all day long. You guys be safe out there.